to another vlog here on my channel, and something exciting is happening. We're going to pick up my dad from the train station, and of course we're late. I'm excited. We haven't seen my dad since before we got married, which we just had our 5-year wedding anniversary the 22nd of December. Isn't that crazy? We haven't seen my dad in over 5 years. And yeah, we're gonna go out to lunch. Got some fruit snacks. Matt likes his Scooby-Doo fruit snacks. He says though they're not as good as what they were when he was younger. But my dad left yesterday morning and he's just now getting here today. And his train was late. It was supposed to be here at 11:30, but it's not. Well, when I just checked, it said that it just got here, so I told him that he's going to be waiting for us. Anyway, we're on our way, and my dad said that he's fine with being on the vlog, so you get to meet him. And I want to do a challenge video where you put headphones on so you can't hear each other, and you have to guess what each other's are saying by like lips, whatever. So I'm gonna see if he wants to play that. Me and Matt did it last year, but I can't find the footage of it, or I would put it up, but can't find it. And Matt doesn't like being on the channel, so he said that he'll let me do his makeup when I get 100,000 subscribers. So we're almost at 2,000. Almost. 98,000 to go. So we'll reference back to this video if I ever hit 100,000 subscribers, which is my goal because I really want to get the 100,000 subscriber from YouTube. I just feel so accomplished. And look at my highlight today. It is awesome. And now I'll see you at the train station with my dad. Okay, bye. We're here! I'm gonna figure out the parking situation. Going in to get him. I don't see him. There he is.
Hey.
Hi. Oh, we're on the back side.
I kept looking for you up here. I didn't know you could even park back there.
No, we're back there.
All right.
Nice outfit.
Hey. You making fun of your old man?
Yeah?
Oh. I've been called, let's see, Brandon's girlfriend called me, redneck.
Hello! It is the next day, and I have not proven myself in the vlogging department like I thought I was. But we're on our way to drop Matthew off at work, and then me and my dad are going to spend some time together. Well, first we're going to get lunch. Matt's buying us lunch at this... Oh, I think I told you about it in a previous vlog. The chicken place. I'll make sure to get the name of it. Hopefully. And I'll try to show you. But my camera is so big and awkward. I hate pulling it out in public. If I had like the G7X, like every vlogger has.
It's so awkward to pull out a big ass camera.
It's not big, it's small. My dad's in the back seat. I'm gonna try to get him to do the one challenge that I was telling you about. I haven't told him yet though. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Fort Worth and do some things and stuff. And Heather will take your payment and give you... Hello! So I just went and did something. Can you see? I got my tragus pierced. And it hurt really bad. My dad was with me. He thought he was recording though, but oh well. You guys have seen a piercing before. Just imagine me with an ouch face. That's what it was. But now I need to go get some Neil Med, whatever. We've been on the lookout all day for bear paw boots. because my black one's got a hole in it. But I think we're gonna try one last store, and if we can't find them, we're gonna get them online, I think. But it's 5 o'clock now. The sun is setting, so it's very bright. So I'll see you later. Good morning, everyone. I just woke up and I'm making breakfast. We got the biscuits, I got the bacon, I'm making sausage, and I'm making eggs. And this sausage is gonna go in this gravy. And it's gonna be delicious, hopefully. But Matthew needs to take the dogs out because I'm making breakfast. You can help him.
Yeah, since you're making breakfast.
Yeah.
Or I can take it. Where are you taking it?
You just go, there's a grassy area over here.
Oh, that's all right. Big boy.
But it's kind of smoky in here because my oil is just burning off. Hello. So, it's been a few days, and it's been the worst few days. Some things happened that I can't really talk about, and on top of that, I got sick. Like, really sick. More sick than I've been in years. Like, coughing up stuff. But coughing so hard I like to puke and poop my pants and pee my pants, and it's a jolly good time. But it's Saturday, Sunday now. We haven't done anything. No, haven't done anything because of everything that's happened. It's like I feel a little bad because I wanted my dad to have a good time, and he had to deal with all this and me being sick. So, we didn't do anything that I wanted to do. But I'm cleaning the kitchen right now because I haven't done anything. And I know this vlog probably sucks, but just wanted to update you. We're all fine now. I'm feeling a little better. I mean, I've been taking medicine. My fever goes up, and then I take medicine, it goes down. Right now my fever is gone, so I'm making dinner, cleaning. But I hate being sick, and it hurts to talk, so I gotta go.